Hello, welcome to Capsule. Today we are going to learn about dosage calculations formulas, that is Young's rule, Clerk's rule, Freed's rule for infants. So let us start the writing. And you also write continuously on a paper along with me so that you can refer them in future. Young's rule. This is for children of 2 years or older. So Young's rule, the formula is in years by age in years, plus 12 into adult dose, which gives the child dose. I will pause the video. Please note down the formula if you not note down before. And the next formula is Clerk's rule. When the weight is given into pounds, we can use this formula, or we can use both these formulas for calculating child dose. The formula is weight in pounds, that is LB, by 150 into average weight of adult, that too in pounds, LB, into adult dose, which gives the child dose. So these are the formulas for calculating child dose. There are two other formulas. Watch the video till the end to know these formulas, the other two formulas. The next formula is Freed's rule for calculating dose of infant. That is, for calculating infant dose, Freed's rule is used. Its formula is age in months into adult dose by 150, which gives the dose for infant. The next formula is calculation based on body surface area. The formula for this is child body surface area, that is BSA, by 1.73, which is the average body surface area of an adult in meter square, into adult dose. So to calculate the body surface area, there is another formula, which is body surface area A in meter square, that is A, patient's body surface area in meter square, is equal to root over weight of the patient into height of the patient by 3600, which is the conversion factor. So the formula for calculating dose based on body surface area is child body surface area by 1.73, which is the average body surface area of an adult in meter square, into adult days, which gives the child dose, which is the approximate value. As an example for calculating child dose based on body surface area, the problem is a physician prescribed a drug whose dose is 150 mg per meter square per day for 8-year-old child. a drug whose dose is 150 mg per meter square per day. And for 8-year children whose child age is 8 years old, who is 75 pounds weight and is 4 feet 2 inch tall. The normal adult dose is 25 mg QID. Here the normal adult dose is given value 25 mg 4 times a day. Then how many mg of drug will be administered 4 times a day for the child? Here we should note the values. The age of the child is 8 years and whose weight is 75 pounds, whose height is 4 feet 2 inch. Let us convert it totally into inches. When we divide 4 feet, the feet with or multiply with 12, when we multiply feet with 12, we get converted them into inches. That is 4 feet into 12, that is 48 inches, plus 2, that is 50 inches. Here you can see 4 into 12 is equal to 48 plus 2, 50 inches. And this is the formula for calculating the body surface area, that is weight root over weight into height by correction factor. This correction factor is 3600 when the weight is given in kgs. When the weight is given in pounds, it is 3131, the correction factor. So putting our values, weight 75 pounds into 50 inches by 3131, we get 1.09 meter square. Put it in the dose calculation formula, that is the child average body surface area by average adult body surface area into adult dose. 1.09 meter square by 1.73 meter square into 25 mg, which gives 15.75 mg. When it is rounded up, it is close to 16. So 16 mg 4 times a day is given to the child. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make a notes of this video and practice them with problems. See you in the next video, guys.